This lighted glass showcase features long-lasting, energy-efficient LED spotlights, a durable steel frame, and 4 adjustable shelves for luxury goods, trophies, and other collectibles. In addition to the 4 shelves, the showcase has a 6-inch high base deck, providing additional display area. Inspired by a museum showcase, it provides almost 33 square feet of display space and allows views from 4 sides. It is shipped assembled and is not available for delivery to a private residence. With a powder-coated black steel frame, this display case stands 6 feet high and 5 feet 10 inches wide, with a depth of 20 inches. Its 4 tempered glass shelves measure 67 inches long by 14 inches wide, and the height of each shelf can be easily adjusted. The sliding glass doors lock in the closed position, providing additional security for your merchandise and display items. The display case has an 8-foot power cord to provide flexibility in its placement. It has a total of 12 lights, 4 LED lights on the ceiling of the case, and 8 LED light fixtures on the sides, highlighting your items from both sides and from above. Each of the light fixtures can be adjusted to show your particular merchandise in its best light.